Before the ceremony begins, we would like to invite the photographer to take a photo from the stage. We ask all our guests to be seated, and please remain seated and smile for the camera.
Ambassador of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Andrea Claire Bowman. Minister Counselor of St. Vincent and the Grenadines Embassy, Mr. Elroy Wilson.
Chancellor of the Kingdom of Eswatini, Ms. Lindiwe Unene. President of Isho University, Dr. Roger Penn. Vice President of Isho University, Dr. Chi Yen Shen.
Of College of Medicine of Isho University, Dr. Han John Chen.
Associate Dean of College of Medicine of Isho University, Dr. Chi Hui Yang.
Chair of School of Medicine of Isho University, Dr. Jem Long Liang.
Chair of School of Medicine of International Students of Isho University, Dr. San Nani.
Associate Chair of School of Medicine for International Students of Isho University, Dr. Lawrence Su.
Associate
To you at this moment, we encourage you to chase your dream and dare to make your dreams come true. Please remember, Isho University is always your home, and you have all the warmest blessings from us. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, President Chen, for the speech.
International Students was launched for students for Taiwan's diplomatic allies. Now the fourth group have completed their studies and are ready to return to their homeland and apply what they have learned here and to help their people. Let's review their school life in the past 4 years at Isho University.
We are so honored to have been invited with so much knowledge. Thank you so much.
Beautiful Belize. Thank you, Taiwan. Thank you, ICDF. Thank you, Mofa. Thank you. Love you.
lessons that I've learned, the people that I've met, the relationships that I've forged here in Taiwan have been invaluable. And for this, I'd like to thank the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ and everyone that is put in a position to make my dream a reality. Thank you all.
大家好，我们是圣露西亚的艺术音乐。
Merci Taiwan. Tout ça, on va faire.
Thank you, Taiwan, for everything.
我们会想念台湾，台湾永远是我们的家。谢谢艺术大学，谢谢一代音乐，谢谢魔法，谢谢 ICDF， 谢谢台湾，台湾第一。
大家好，我叫李克松，我来自上本省。谢谢艺术大学，谢谢一代语文、魔法、ICDF， 谢谢台湾，台湾 #1。
Hi, my name is Jean Phillip,
My name is Gerald.
and we're from the Republic of the Marshall Islands. We'd like to say thank you to Isho University, ICDF,
and more. Much appreciated.
谢谢你Taiwan.
My name is Senor Lia from Tuvalu. I'd like to thank Mofa, ICDF, Ida Hospital, and Taiwan for giving me this opportunity. Taiwan #1. 谢谢。
我的名字是苏兰，我来自谢谢你一所大学，一大医院 ICDF 魔法，我爱你台湾。
Hey, I'm Ralph. I'm Robert.
And I'm Lillian.
We are from Solomon Islands.
I'd like to say thank you to
ICDF for sponsoring us for the last 3.5 years. And also to all the faculties of Iso Medical University for the knowledge you have imparted to us.
我们爱台湾，谢谢。
大家好，My name is Katarina Yolanda from Universe. I want to thank Isho University, Isa Hospital, ICDF, MOFA, Taiwan.
We would like to present you the following candidates. Javier Daniel Alpuchi. Daniel Scarlett Flores Arapon. Larissa Laiva Carvajal. Carlos Antonio Cubero Esteves. David Ortega Rodriguez. Jean Philippe. Jarrell Anito.
We have enough.
Lilian Navarra. Sherwin Wahai. Robert Peracana Jr. Zalin Salome Suhara. Lian Taja Jem Ya. Megan Menasha Manga. Trevor Cooper. Elvis Keith Weeks.
Kintiseni Aom Ovia.
close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.